Welcome to Jianglin Steel Corporation. Jianglin Steel started stainless business since 2012. With regular stock of 10,000 tons, we are ready to supply main grades and cover most thickness ranging from 0.23mm to 90mm. With a total invest of 50 million Chinese yuan, we are equipped with the latest cutting line. We separate cold rolling material and hot rolling material. In this way, we can highly guarantee the surface leveling and protect the surface quality. We are ready to slit minimum 5mm and maximum 2000mm. Precision strip slitting is available. For surface polishing, we have full automatic operation system, number 4, HL, snow brushed. Meanwhile, we can also supply mirror finished material. With years of development, Jianglin Steel has grown up into a one-stop stainless steel supplier. Trust and credit is our core value. Welcome to visit us.